TS government, no deadline for property data upload on Dharni. T tells High Court. Now this is the dispute. This public and government. Uh, Sagar Kumar and Times Group come. Muttas Hyderabad. The state on Wednesday informed the High Court there was no deadline for citizens to upload their non-agriculture property particulars on Dharani portal. Advocate General of B.S. Prasad told a bench of Chief Justice Raghavendra Singh Chauhan and Justice B. Vijay Sena Reddy that it is a continued process and there was no urgency to rush. The bench was hearing a PIL filed by Advocate Gopal Sharma questioning the state latest instate aimed at streamlining the system. His counsel Sri Rama Pallavi said the state was resorting to the exercise without enacting any law and it went against a nine judges bench judgment of Supreme Court and runs controversy to the provision of the Article 300A of the Constitution. The state is seeking private details of personal like caste, Aadhaar number, etc. and all of them are uploaded on to public domain. He said expressing doubt over the production available to individuals in the new exercise. Appearing for the petitioner, Counsel D. Prakash Reddy said the state has not intimated the citizens absolute the scheme. The detail of caste etc. cannot be asked. He said, cheating an SG judgment. The bench sought to know from him as to what was wrong if the state insist on pressing details like caste and Aadhaar to identify a person when in any case the same were given out to various officials right from kindergarten. The Prakash Reddy said the state did not bring out any law to implement Dharne, not even on a executive instruction to support it to action. The senior council also alleged the state has given to 15 days time to the people to the upload details of their properties. Now this new three injured after boulders rolled down in Indra Kiladri Hills. This is the Indra Kiladri Vijayawada. This news. Dubbaka Bipole BJP Congress go all out to tap young voters. Both target TRS on 22L government jobs promise. 2 lakhs government. The youth must be served. Now BJP and Congress are going all out to win the hearted of the youth in Dubbaka by highlighting the failure of the TRS government in falling. up, up over 2 lakhs jobs vacancies in the government sector. So both the opposition parties have focused on moving the voters aged between 18 to 38 years, whose number are over 90,000 in the constituency. The BJP and Congress have deployed their youth barricades to strike a rapport with the youth and explain to them on how the ruling TRS had failed to dole out of promises 3,106 per month unemployment, all allowances to jobless youngsters. Over 1,000 members drawn from अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद, बीजेपी युवा मोर्चा, विश्व हिंदू परिषद and Bajrang Dal are getting in touch with the youth. The TRS has promised a job per houses ఇంటికొక ఉద్యోగం. The government has not only failed to fulfill this promise but also went to back on its words on the unemployment allowances, said BJP candidate Mr. Raghu Nandan Rao, young leader from National Student Union of India, Youth Congress, Seva Dal and Mahila Congress are also trying to impress the youth to bring about a change both at the state and the center. Youth Congress State President Anil Kumar Yadav said there are a large number of youth who have completed their education but do not have jobs. Some of the education youth are into farming. Vacancies in the government sector have increased from 1 lakh to over 2 lakhs in the last 6 years. Youngsters in towns and villages says this when we approach them, he said. Meanwhile, TRS leaders are countering the opposition campaign by stating both Congress and BJP are laying on that TRS have never promised a job for every house. Dispute the BJP and Congress government governing to court against the recruitment notification. The KCR government has filed up over the a lakh vacancies till date. The said now no help for BD workers from center, says Harish. TRS government minister Mr. told that mm, central government not given to percentage of BD workers help. Now Telangana Financial Minister T. Harish Rao on Wednesday took post post hard at Congress and BJP by saying that the two national parties are depending on outsiders since they do not have local leaders. Addressing a TRS rally with one woman in Dubaka, he said TRS candidate Solpenta Sujata would win the November 3rd election easily. He challenging BJP state chief Bandi Sanjay to prove that the center was granting 1600 pensions to BD workers. The center is not giving a single paisa to the BD workers, he said. The minister should to know if any BJP ruled states where implementation schemes like Kalyana Lakshmi, Raitu Bandhu and etc. like an elder son in the family. Chief Minister Mr. K. Chandrasekhar Rao is giving a saris to poor women to celebrate Batkamma. He said if people start believing Congress or BJP, they would be cheated. Medak MP Kotta Prabhakar Reddy said KCR understood the problem of women in fetching drinking water and ensured that every household gets drinking water supply. In Dubbaka, every Ekara will get Godavari water, he said. Sujata said that he late husband Solipeta Ramalinga Reddy spent his entire life to serve the people of the constituency. The CM blessed me and sent me to you to serve you. He told the gathering at a small rally. Meanwhile, Harish Rao unveiled a pamphlet on the developmental works undertaken by the TRS government in the constituency. Now this is the end of the news. Is uh, now present is including share also today is weekly expiry date option and features. So now today also market index and Sensex volatility. Now thank you very much.